once again, we're going to start off with the circle. Okay. Down here we have a pear shape. Look at that. Over here we have a squash circle here and a squash circle there. Now we're going to join those up. Look at this. One there and one there. At the back here we're going to bring it over, we're going to bring it out and around and stop it just there. The north, the south, the west and the east. Broken line down from east to west and west to east. Where the two lines meet becomes the centre of our character's face. And that's where we're going to find his nose. Just get my black felt tip marker. Now you all have these. Okay, Ella and Oscar and Olivia. There's the eyes. Okay, and then there's the nose. Get the nostrils. Okay, up the top we're going to give him little quiffy hair. Look at that. Then we're going to start from the north. We're going down to the west. We're leaving the circle. We're going to follow it all the way around and back up and stop it just there. Now we're going to bring the hairline down here and let it kick out to the back. Look at that. Follow it all the way down and stop it just there. Alright, we're going to put in the eyebrows. Okay, and there we have the eyes. Don't forget the reflection of the light, see that? And then we have his little mouth. Well, a rather large mouth. Look at that, we'll open it up there. Okay, now we're going to do his neck. We're going to bring that down there. Alright, I'm going to put the elbow in, squash it out, have this one here, bring it out and around, not forgetting the nails. Okay, now we're going to go up and over, follow it all the way around and back down and stop it just there. And this is for the back leg, bring it down, and the same here. Alright, bring it around and back over and not forget the nails on that side. Join it up there and there. Now we have two legs, but we know that they have four. We're going to put one out here as if he's walking. There's one, 2, 3 little toes, and then this one here goes to the back. Look at that. And around. Okay. Now at the top here we put 3 little pebbles. Alright, or you can put little dots there, whatever you like yourself. And on his head there, look at that. It's like little freckles actually. Alright, now we're going to put him here. We're going to put him in the jungle. So you're going to put in the horizon line. Alright. And he's known. Oh, I forgot his under tummy. Look at that. Bring it down. Alright. Pick it up there. Bring it off and stop it just there. Now, Ella, when you're doing this for Cree, okay, what you can do is you can so that he'd be able to colour it in then, okay? There we have a tree. Have that in. Up, down, all around. Up, down, grass to be found. Now mine is a Dinosaurus, okay, or a Nanosaurus, or a Tygosaurus, or Oscasaurus, or Oliviasaurus, or a Norasaurus, okay. And there he is, out for a stroll. On the ground, you can have a few leaves where he was at been chewing, where they fell to the ground from the tree. We can put one in his mouth there, because he is a vegetarian. Okay, alright. And then we put in a little bit of shadow, a few little pebbles, and there maybe a flower or two. I wonder, does he like flowers? What do you think, Olivia? Huh? Now, up here we have a cloud in the sky, and the sun is shining brightly. Maybe a bird or two. Alright. Now, what we're going to do here, I'm going to use my crayons, because you all have crayons, I know that. So, I'm going to go for... I have to look at my colour crayons. Now, I'm going to look for the brown for the tree. can still see it there. Alright. I'm going to put in a bit of shadow down here. You see the way I'm using the side of the crayon? So if your paper comes off, it's grand. I'm going to put in the bushes there at the back. And keep it nice and light. Now, Cray and Tig will have it all over the place, but once you give it to them in the black felt tip marker, they'll love it. Okay, we have blue for the sky. I'm going to use the side of the crayon again. Look at that. And do you know something as well? The mats underneath are very good. Look, see the way it gives all the little bumps? Actually gives a nice bit of texture there. What do you think? Yeah? I think so too. I can give it a nice purple dinosaur. So give him, look. And the spots on the back, you can tell Tig and Nora and Cree that's to tell who his family is, and we can put them in a different colour, look. So when he sees the other family with the spotted, he looks like a very friendly little guy, doesn't he? I just put in a little bit. Do you remember I was telling you about the shading, Olivia and Oscar and Ella? Look. Actually adds and go light up around the head. See that? Now you probably choose a different colour than me, and that's perfectly fine. Alright, there we have it. Have the pink flower over here and here. And a bit of green on the grass, on the ground. Follow it through. That's why I like crayons, even if they break, they're grand. You have the grass upside down, down, all around. Up, down, grass to be found. Up, down, all around. Up, down, grass to be found. Now we have the sun shining high up in the sky. What a beautiful day. We all want to make and play. We want to do it all the day and keep ourselves very busy. As you can see, there's Nana, you and me. We're all dancing underneath the tree of the Dinosaurs, Creosaurus, Oscarosaurus, Ellasaurus, Tigosaurus, Norasaurus, and Oliviasaurus. Colour in the tree, and it's taller than you and me. I know Nana's singing. Okay, there we go. Bit of shading at the end, look at that. See the way I'm using the side of the crayon? See that? Because it gets it done quicker. And there you have, guys, a little gift for Nana. Have fun. Love you lots. Miss you heaps. See you soon. Bye.